Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be changing out the center support bearing for my drive shaft. This is the new one that I got from FCP Euro. This is the old one that's all fucked up. Alright guys, so before you take it apart, you want to make sure that you make two marks on the drive shaft, one here and one over here, to make sure that you put it back together the same as you took it off. Okay, and make sure this new one is on as the same as this one, because sometimes people put these on backwards. So yeah, I'm gonna take it apart right now and show you guys how I do it, how to do it. Alright guys, so I got the front labeled, the rear labeled, the front of the center support bearing labeled. When I separate this is the way that it needs to go back together, because it's a balanced drive shaft. So yeah, make sure that you label it before you take it apart.
Put the label on. Let's see.
I was just recording. My YouTube channel, bro. You wanna be famous? Suda.
So this kind of got bent.
Now that needs to be hit on. Alright guys, I got the new center support bearing on, carrier bearing on. I took it off with an air hammer and I put the new one on with an axle seal tool from Honda. I used the axle seal tool to hit this this new one on, and it worked out perfectly. So in case if you ever need to change that out, you can use an axle seal tool from Honda to hit this back on. I got the new dust shield with a new snap ring on it. I got it back the way it's supposed to be. Made sure that it was lined up again the same way that I took it off, and I'm about to throw it back onto the car right now. That bit mine. Alright guys, that's how I got it out. Alright guys, I'm back from the junkyard. I was able to find two diff flanges. Real easy to pull off. To take the bolt out from the middle, you're gonna have to grind down a 30mm socket, so it could be thin enough. This is what I use to take the bolt off from the middle. Alright, now I'm gonna install it now. I can finally install the drive shaft now. Right there. Alright guys, I got the metal support bearing carrier on. I got it disconnected. I got the rear diff connected. I think I just gotta put one more bolt, but everything's connected and I'm done with this now. Thank God. Quick note guys, if you put your drive shaft on and it's a little short, all you gotta do is loosen this up, make sure this is connected, and then just pull it apart just far enough until you're able to connect this on. And then all you gotta do is take this right here and just re-tighten this back up. If I can get it. Oh, I'm gonna tighten that up later. But yeah, I got everything connected now, from the front to the rear. I just gotta tighten the bolts down now. Ugh.